Since ICE and THP's immigrant enforcement operation in early May, the Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition, or TURC, says they've been requesting records from the state's Department of Homeland Security.
Unfortunately, all of our requests have been largely ignored. The documents have been incomplete or heavily redacted. Video footage that we have requested has been delayed to the point of denial.
TURC says the records will shed more light on the THP ICE operation and determine whether agents operated within the law and followed due process.
So we need this openness. We need this accountability to hold these state actors accountable for their bad action.
Professor Jonathan Abel at UC Law San Francisco is representing one of the people detained by ICE, who is still being held at a detention facility and has been in custody since May. He says during his client's traffic stop, there were a number of constitutional violations, including an illegal search of the vehicle.
Yeah, my client has no criminal history, has never been in trouble before. And yeah, my client has been locked away since May 9th in a detention facility, as the Highway Patrol and others have records that could set my client free.
According to the lawsuit, DHS has yet to turn over video of this traffic stop, despite acknowledging a check payment of $161.46 to obtain a copy. Since the immigration enforcement operation, TURC says they've only been able to identify about half of the 200 people detained.
If you don't know who these people are and you can't give us that information, that means that you just picked them up based on the color of their skin, because you obviously didn't know their immigration status when you swept them away.
Reporting in Nashville, Audrey Mayer, News 2.
News 2 reached out to the Tennessee Highway Patrol regarding this lawsuit. They referred us to the Attorney General's office, who has not replied to our request for comment. News 2 also reached out to the governor's office, and we did not hear back in time for this report.